Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Estella's Recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to see more interesting recipes. Today, I'm gonna make a carbo fire noodle with kielbasa sausage. Fire noodle was notorious for its spiciness, and carbo fire noodle is the least spicy one. I also serve them with kielbasa sausage, which is also known as hwasa sausage. Hwasa, one of the K-pop stars in Korea, had this sausage in reality show, and it became trendy food in Korea. So if you're ready, let's get started. Take out the stem of red paprika and cut them into 4 pieces. Then, slice them again into stripes. I'm gonna use a half of red paprika and half of yellow paprika. Slice the 3 cloves of garlic. Cut the stem of broccoli and cut them into bite size. Remember that you have to cut broccoli from the stem or else it'll get messy. Put them into boiling water and let them cook for 3 minutes. Make a cut in kielbasa sausage. The kielbasa sausage already contains a lot of oil, so I think it would be better to water frying them. Let this simmer for 3 minutes in a low heat. Flip it to the other side and simmer for another 3 minutes. Lastly, flip it to the other side and let them simmer for 3 minutes and leave them on the side. Put 2 spoons of canola oil on a pan in a medium heat. Put sliced garlic and stir them for 1 minute. Put a chopped paprika and add a salt inside. Put a bit of pepper and stir them for 3 minutes. Put a noodle in a boiling water and let them boil for 2 minutes. Put them on a pan. Put a half amount of broccoli inside. Put half a cup of fresh cream. Put 2 spoons of Parmesan cheese. Put carbo fire noodle sauce and stir them all together for 2 more minutes. Place them on a dish with kielbasa sausage. I'm gonna sprinkle a dried parsley on it. The cheesy taste of Carbo fire noodle really goes well with kielbasa sausage. Try this at your home and share this with your family and friends. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And please leave a comment if you have any ideas about this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye!